Welcome to week 9 of our Python programming series. In this lesson, we'll explore the fascinating world of exceptions. Exceptions play a vital role in Python, allowing us to handle errors and unexpected situations gracefully. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of exceptions, handling them with try-except blocks, raising exceptions, and best practices for effective exception handling. So, let's dive in. Understanding exceptions. Exceptions are an integral part of Python, helping us handle errors and exceptional situations in our code. In this segment, we'll delve into the concept of exceptions, exploring their role in Python and understanding the different types of exceptions. Handling exceptions with try-except. In this segment, we'll learn how to handle exceptions gracefully using try-except blocks. By enclosing potentially problematic code within a try block and specifying the appropriate except blocks, we can catch and handle exceptions effectively. Raising exceptions. Sometimes, we need to raise exceptions explicitly to indicate and handle specific situations. We'll explore the raise statement, which allows us to raise exceptions with customized messages and types. Exception handling best practices. In this segment, we'll discuss best practices for effective exception handling. We'll cover techniques such as handling exceptions at appropriate levels in your code, providing informative error messages, and organizing your code to handle exceptions efficiently. Conclusion and final thoughts. Congratulations! You've completed week 9 lesson on understanding and handling exceptions in Python. You've learned about exceptions, handling them with try-except blocks, raising exceptions, and best practices for effective exception handling. These skills are crucial for writing robust and reliable code. Remember to always anticipate potential exceptions and handle them gracefully. Keep practicing and refining your exception handling skills, and you'll become a proficient Python developer. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. We hope you found it insightful and helpful in your Python programming journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy coding!